This 2021 Keystone Arcadia 3660 RL is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice the beautiful interior color scheme. In your kitchen, you have a farmhouse sink with a detachable faucet head, a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Turning around to the seating arrangements, we have a dining table with 4 freestanding chairs, theater seats, and a large sofa that converts into a bed. Behind the sink is a flip-up tabletop for eating or doing work, with 2 GFI outlets and USB ports on both sides. In your bedroom is a massive California king-size bed. There's plenty of storage between the cabinet, the trunk, and the walk-in closet. Your walk-in closet has storage drawers, a storage platform, and washer and dryer hookups. Next to your bathroom is the control panel for your unit, which controls your slides, lights, awning, and other miscellaneous functions of your trailer. Returning outside, notice your hatch doors to your propane tanks and pass-through storage. Next to your entry door are hookups for your TV and 2 GFI outlets. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.